Hi friends, I am Kapil Senapati. Now I am at Bhaskareshwar Park. Today is a amazing day. I am at Bhaskareshwar Park. You can see, this is the Bhaskareshwar temple. This is a very old temple, and lots of people coming to here and doing exercise every day. You can see a person sitting beneath the tree and doing yoga. You can see here lots of people walking here. This is a very good park and greenery is very beautiful. You can see the flower. You can see the flower, the red flower looking very beautiful. The flower is very I am coming near to the flower. This is the flower, very beautiful flower. You can see this flower, very beautiful flower is here. You can see lots of people just jogging and walking every day. I think minimum to minimum thousands of people coming here for morning walk, and maximum senior citizens are coming here to doing yoga and some physical exercise. This is the temple, Bhaskareshwar temple. You can see this is the Bhaskara temple. This is the front side of Bhaskareshwar temple. You see, this is the Bhaskareshwar temple. This is a very beautiful temple. You can see now the development authority putting a stone bench beneath the tree, so the visitor can relax here. You can see the people sitting here and doing some meeting. Also they are doing some meeting. You can see the authority planting some flower plant here. You can see people doing walking and running. This is a very good park. You can come here at any time. The park opening time is 4 a.m. and park closing time is 10 a.m. Here is a well. You know that the well is not maintained properly. That's why lots of ordinary trees rages on the well. Here you can see the senior citizen ladies, senior citizen doing exercise here. Senior citizen doing exercise here. And you can see the flag of, I think this is Vishwa Hindu Parishad flag. You can see this flag. This is Vishwa Hindu Parishad flag. This is a very good park. You can see lots of people doing here exercise. This is a bara tree. People sitting here after exercise and take some rest here. You can see people doing exercise here. This is a very good place for your morning exercise and morning jogging and walking. You can see this is the temple. You can view this side also. You can see people doing exercise here. You can see these people doing exercise here. Here also some senior citizen sitting here and doing exercise. You can see this is a very showing very beautiful people doing some physical exercise and yoga. You can see this is a very good place. You can come here between 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. We can visit this place. This is a very nice place, and you can see here is sandalwood tree. This is a sandalwood tree. This is a sandalwood tree. You can see here. This is a sandalwood tree. You can see people playing badminton here. This is the back side of the temple. This is the back side of the temple. Here is a pond. The pond is dry now in the rainy season. The pond looks very beautiful and full of water and lots of lily flower. You can see here now pond is dry. This is a very good place. It's a scenery. It's beautiful. You can see one person jogging here, and you can see lots of young person also walking, and you can see here the senior citizens are just doing their yoga. You can see here some young person doing yoga. You can see here the young person just doing yoga. You can see here the senior citizens also doing yoga. Here you can say this is also a very good park for children. You can see just a children and his mother just playing here. This is very beautiful park, and you can see a mother and a child just in funny mode and doing some activities. They are looking very fresh and very happy. You can see his mother hiding behind the bush and his child searching his mother. This is looking very beautiful. The children and his mother is very happy. You can see a person. Person just walking. You can see this person is a very funny person doing walking. You can see one person just jogging. This is a very good place. You can see here people playing badminton. Here. This is a very good park. This park radius is approximately, I think, 1 kilometer. The park radius is 1 kilometer. The park you can find fresh oxygen here, because around the park is very greenery, and so you can find fresh oxygen here, and you can make yourself very healthy and fit. This park is very good one and very beautiful place. Here is a temple. Here is a very good greenery, very big space, and park is well maintained, so that you can enjoy your time here. You can enjoy your quality time here. So this is a good place. You can see here the senior citizens are doing yoga. Senior citizens are doing yoga, and you can see here the Vishwa Hindu Parishad team doing some activities here. Vishwa Hindu Parishad team doing activities here. You can see this is very good place. This is, you can see here the senior citizen with young people are doing yoga here. Here you can come here at any time between 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. You can enjoy your quality time here. This is a very good park. You can see this is the path to the temple. This is the backside path of the temple. The park is well maintained. You can see this small tree. It is well maintained park. Park greenery is very beautiful. Very beautiful park. You can see the greenery is very amazing and beautiful. You feel very happy if you come here. You feel very happy. You can see here people doing some exercise around the temple. So I am also coming here every day between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. and spend minimum to minimum 1 hour quality time here and feeling very happy. You can see here people doing yoga and exercise. This is a very good park. This is a very good park. You can come here and enjoy yourself with your family. You can come here with your children also. The children will be very happy. You can see one person doing also yoga here. You can see a person doing also yoga here. You can see this is a very good park, amazing park. I am very happy. You can see this flower. I am showing you again and again. The flower is very beautiful, and this flower just in front of the temple. The flower looking very beautiful. You can see each and every flower. It's showing very beautiful. The park is well maintained and the flower is very beautiful. You can come here and enjoy yourself. Thanks a lot, friend. Thanks a lot.